and gentlemen, my name is denysyuzhakov, and welcome to our liberlandrailwayscorporate YouTube channel. And today I would like to introduce you with a fresh opportunity provided by PGN Network or Partner Group Network, our main member. Today, this opportunity is, of course, it's investment opportunity, and this is not a requirement of any enterprise, of any company about crisis management to save the situation, because we have shot some videos about, for example, about factories, food factories, or beverage factories, which required some financial injection to close their debts and to increase to get to the next level. But this one is just opportunity to invest, because this opportunity is managed by experienced team, by experienced fund. And this opportunity also in Baltic countries, and especially in Latvia and Lithuania. And this opportunity is about carwhashes network. And let's speak in detail. Let's take a look at my screen. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you this opportunity. Channel car washes in Baltic countries. It's really good opportunity for investors who is looking for the some case to some opportunity to expand their portfolio. Today, this opportunity is for about debt. That tunnel car washes in Lithuania and Latvia. Today we're speaking about in the following schedule. So first of all, about investment summary, then about key facts about the fund which manages the project, and about ProBro is leading car wash operator in Baltics, and a little bit about funds manager called Zero Sum Asset Management. So let's start. About speaking about this opportunity.
Švaros broliai.
Issue, investment units issue. So first of all, issue and distribution of this project is under the fund called Zero Sum Fund. It funds units for the acquisition of tunnel car washes in Baltics. Let me repeat, it's manager of the fund of the project is Zero Sum Asset Management. Issue size up to 10 million euros. Estimated size of the first tranche from 2 to 4 million euros. Investment period of the fund is to please be attentive for the 2 years from 2023 up to 2025. But we are shooting this video in 2024, but you can enter this project you can still enter if you're interested. And exit from the project, planned exit is 2027. Expected return is 20%. IRR is 20% after success fee. Of course, they're taking the success fee, so investor will get 20%. Use of the proceeds financing the acquisitions of built-to-suit real estate properties for automated tunnel car washes operated by a leader in the market called ProBlo, or in Lithuanian Švarios broliai. What are investment highlights? So first of all, it's a growing market in Baltics, especially in two Baltic countries, in Latvia and Lithuania. The car cleanliness market is currently experiencing rapid growth. The sheer volume of cars washed by ProBlo Express has increased 7 times since 2017. Next one is attractive returns. The proposed return is above the average real estate market return. So yes, it's not just a real estate, not just a property owner, but it's a real business. So of course the profitability is more higher. Then ProBlo is guaranteed and stable Baltics market leader in tunnel car washes. They are really huge. We'll speak about them later, because they're planning to enter new markets. Then exclusive property. Asset class, which is not correlated with other commercial asset classes. Then currently this management company, this fund currently owns 9 car washes and has signed 6 sale and purchase agreements for the acquisition of new car washes to be implemented by the end of 2025. And the last one, the last highlights is that 31 million euros in total acquisition value. So these 4 points of highlights is very important for the investor, and that is why it is possible to invest in this project. A little bit about asset manager. Asset manager funds manager zero sum asset management. A little bit about them. Zero sum asset management is management company licensed by Bank of Lithuania, Central Bank of Lithuania. The managed funds and investment companies specialize in residential commercial project development, cash flow generating real estate management, debt and equity investments in private companies. So it managed by several funds. Just to take a look, here are the funds: Tunnel Car Wash, Commercial Investment Company, Fund 1, Fund 2, Fund 3, Debt Mixed Fund, Refund, Debt Fund, and Special Fund. So they really have several structures in this in the mother company, in mother structure. Let's take a look at the graphics. Just a briefly to understand what about the management, about the chain. So these are funds we can see, and then investor relations, fund management, finance, accounting, investments, and all this pyramid, all this structure. Concentrations on CEO, and then on management board. Also, we can see depository, compliance, audit, AML procedures, conflict of interest procedures, and so on and so forth. If you would like to have more information, you're welcome to write us, to drop us a line on the emails below, indicated below, and we will explain all the opportunities, all the management schemes, how are they working. So a little bit key facts about the fund. First of all, investment profile, cash flow generating property in the Baltic countries, and these properties are tunnel car washes services. The fund's goal is to accumulate a portfolio of 20-25 properties of this type in Lithuania and the Baltic states for the exit. You remember, exit is planned by 2027. By the end of fund's term of operation. And also this fund, Zero Sum, is managed by Zero Sum Asset Management Company, UAB. Total amount of tunnel car washes is, just important information, is 15 objects, 9 already acquired objects, and 6 ongoing development objects have fixed acquisition yields. A fund has no development-related risks. Let me remind you, investment period from 2023 to 2025. So if you're interested, you have 1.5 years to invest. Planned exit is 2027. Total investment is 82 million euros. Already invested is 31 million euros. Yields of purchased items is just similar in Latvia. Objects is up to 8.25%, in Lithuania is 7.75%. Probro or Schwaras Broli, one of the Europe's modern, fastest growing express car washes network and leading car wash operator in Baltics. So they are not represented not only in Baltics, but in Baltics they are leading player in this market. Potential conflict of interest. UBO of the developer is also the developer of that car washes is also investor in a debt fund, in debt management fund. So we can't see conflict of interests. Next one is fund's main parameters. Refund investing in properties for automated tunnel car washes with planned IRR at 20% after the success fee. So just a brief type of fund: closed-end, strategy core plus, fund launch date in 2018, duration of the fund 8+2 years, and date year of 2027. Plans return 20%, as I told earlier, and very attentively. in minimum investment size 135,000 euros. So you shouldn't have, for example, 1 million, 2 millions, but if you can have just 125,000, and you can invest as investor. This is opportunity. This is the opportunity with this 20% return. You will have just plenty return of your funds. Success fee 20% of returns exceeding 10% is funds. Management fee 2% per annum from NAV. Target exit about 100 million. Geography, I told it's there are Baltic countries, and so on. What's about exit strategy? Core Plus consolidate a substantial portfolio of tunnel car washes in the Baltic countries with the potential for sale to a dedicated fund. They anticipate transaction sizes over 100 million, and we anticipate that foreign funds will also express interest in such a portfolio. So I think you should be some private investor, or you should represent, for example, different funds or pension funds and so on and so forth. So you are welcome to add some project in your portfolio. What's about objective? Objective is accumulate portfolio of 2025 tunnel car washes in Baltic countries. And what about exit? They intend to offer the portfolio to be a reputable Lithuanian or international investment fund. And a little bit timeline, a little bit milestones. So we can see plenty of positions, 2023, 2024, 2025. Just briefly, we can see the seller, the object. I will not stop at the object because we don't know geography of Lithuanian countries. In Latvian countries, you can see Vilnius, Klaipėda, Riga, Kaunas is different cities and towns of locations where they planning to operate. It's but you can see the acquisitions scheduled in investments. So our present value 31 million, 9 car washes, more than 60 million is as I told you, acquisition deals in Latvia and Lithuania. Yearly rent revenue, estimated NOI by 2027, and planned exit 100 million, as I told you earlier. Return sensitivity. Realistic scenario, we can see 20% IRR, and optimistic scenario. So we can they can give you more, 27%, but you can keep in mind that it will be about 20%. But because if it will be more, it will be bonus for you. AUM forecast, geographical portfolio split. We can see Lithuania and Latvia, so we can see 2 countries, 2 Baltic countries. Dark blue is Lithuania, and light blue is Latvia. So you can see the forecast up to 2026. And a little bit about, we've spoken about management fund, and now we can speak. Let's speak about carwash operator in the two Baltic countries, called ProBro. The successful business model that was started in 1998 under the name of Schwarz Broly has expanded rapidly. The year 2021 marked a significant expansion of the company's activities. They now offer the three most important services of car cleaning, premises cleaning, supply and production of equipment and materials, and finally franchise sales and service. So they are developing not only in liner module, but also in franchise model. In the year 1998, they have started their business. Now they have 700 team members, 4 areas of activity: express tunnel, car washes, car cleanliness centers, and network of self-service car washes and cleaning of premises. The first tunnel express car wash opened in 2017 and growing up to 2023 up to 16 unit network. In 2021, ProBro Group became an international holding company managing a related company group. Here you can see express tunnel car washes and actual figures of washed cars comparing for 2018 up to 2023. We can see increasing a number of car washes in thousands. For example, 4,000 in 2018 and 17,000 in 2023. What's about financial data? A little bit financial data. If you invest, of course, every investor is interested in financials. So 2020 and 2024 tunnel car washes units increased from 8 up to 25. Growth units of car washes 15% up to 35%. Sales in million euros from 13 million up to 60 million. EBITDA 1.5 and up to 4.9. So you can just stop the screen and study it, and we will let's move further. Expansion plan. So as for expansion plan, we can see not only Baltic countries but also Scandinavian countries and Denmark. So from 10 up to 35 express car washes. Business. So it's pretty large, huge plans to take place in markets of not Baltic countries but in Scandinavian. And a little bit about stakeholders. So we can see land and property, equipment, and car wash business. So a little bit messy, but we can see different funds which are controlled the business. They have different names and different trademarks. For example, trademarks of the car washes by themselves and management fund. But nevertheless, you can see land and property. Some is owned by franchisees. Some owned by ProBro, car washes. Other developers are fund by themselves, and different companies, Kinova and Plitram. Equipment, who's running equipment, management fund and ProBro, and franchisee, and car wash businesses owned by franchisees and ProBro. So it's this scheme is make you easy to understand whose role, who runs which role in different businesses. But nevertheless, if you are really interested, we'll be happy to arrange a call with business owner of you and business owner to understand how this business is working and what is potential growth and potential chances to get profit in this business. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's really interesting. It's again important information about you that we have direct contact with the business owner of these car washes facilities. And we can introduce you, if you're an investor, if you are interested in this opportunity, we can introduce you with a business owner to understand. It will be easier. The conversation will be easy. Will help you to understand this business, this opportunity, and this information provided by us in this short pitch. And your opportunities to invest and to get different to expand your portfolio, to get additional income, and so on and so forth. So please not hesitate to contact us, to drop us a line under to the emails indicated under this video. And thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our channel not to miss new videos and new opportunities. Thank you for the watching, and bye for now.